I'm pretty much done with showing you all the different things I was going to do in the condo still, but there's one other thing I forgot I'm going to have to do, and that's installing 2 towel bars and a little towel ring. I'm gonna go ahead and put a towel ring up there. Before, somebody had it setting over here, and I thought, nothing doing. I like them over here next to the mirror, and over here if you don't have a medicine cabinet or something. Obviously if you haven't had a medicine cabinet there, I could put the ring here, but see, if I put the ring here, eventually we could put something right here, a surface mounted thing for towels and a little shelf area that would cover up. See, they had one here before, and if I didn't want that to be shown, I could put a nice rectangular picture right there, or one of those little other cabinets. So another reason why I want to put the towel ring over there. And I was going to get some brand new towel bars and stuff, and this is the old one. They all pretty much match, and so I thought to myself, nothing doing. I need to get this thing done to sell. So I'm gonna go ahead and use what I got. Now I've got a 30-inch and probably an 18 to 24-inch. And I thought, okay, I don't want to put a little one here in case somebody wants to put a cabinet here. And I've got this little section right here, and I'm gonna put the longer one not at regular height, okay? Because then I can't put another one. So I'll put it up a little over 3 feet tall, maybe 40 inches. And then split the difference between the door and the edge of the tile. And then I'll go up another 3 feet and I'll put the shorter one. And I'll put the shorter one up here, and they can have one towel, or they can have washcloths there, or they can hang, you know, whatever they want there, a bathing suit, whatever. There's also another towel bar there that they can hang. And I've seen some people install one behind the door. Now, if you're gonna ever install one behind the door, what you probably want to do is take your door bumper off, take it to the store or something, or measure it, and get a longer one. Did you know they have at least 3 different lengths of these? And just the other day I saw one. They had little short stubby ones, and you can even use one of those somewhere else. But right here, I would get a really super long one and have it out a little bit further if I was going to put a towel bar behind the door. Lots of times I've seen it where somebody has a towel bar and they have a regular size door bumper, and then the towel bar maybe comes out just beyond the door or something, and then crunch. It's just enough room for it to hit without a towel, and then you got a towel on there, and then all of a sudden the edge of the door hits the towel, bends the towel bar, and you don't want that, okay? So that's another something I'm gonna have to do. And it's easy stuff, and I've got that on my YouTube channel too. If it's not on under, I think I might have them under condo rehab, because I installed some downstairs. But if you can't find them, you can always go to my main YouTube channel page, click on playlist, and scroll down to somewhere else, plumbing, bathroom, mini project, something like that. And I've got other ones on showing you how to install towel bars, towel rings, toilet paper holders. In fact, look at this one here. You just lift up on it. You see there? Isn't that cool? And it's got a little slot there, and you just put your towel, your toilet paper on there, and do that. And this is all attached, see? So they got all kinds of stuff at the store. Okay, so that about wraps it up for this time. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos, and I hope you're enjoying the videos. And hey, I'm just an average Joe. If I can do it, you can do it.